Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to change the air filter on my LG refrigerator.
To get started, we need to order or purchase a new filter. So we'll need the model number to do that. So we got our new filter. It's a part number LG LT120F. The first thing we want to do is we want to take the filter casing and turn it counterclockwise. That'll remove the casing from the refrigerator wall. Now we want to replace the filter. When we put the new filter in, we want the cross to be facing outward so you can see it. Then you put the casing back on the wall and turn it clockwise. The last thing we need to do is reset the filter alarm. Just push the button underneath the alarm and hold for 3 seconds.
If you like this video, give me a like or a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.